Hi, I'm Udi Tirosh with DIYPhotography.net. We're here at IBC 2022 at the Nanook stand with Herman, and we're going to talk tough luggage.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2022 is sponsored by Sennheiser, the future of audio, Sachtler, producer of professional tripods, and B&H, the professional source.
Hi Herman, it's nice to meet.
Hi Udi, nice to meet you. Thank you for the opportunity.
Of course. So, I've been walking around the floor and I've been seeing many cases. And, we came here, we saw the colors, we got excited. What can you tell us about this bag that is different from others?
Okay, I can understand that you were attracted by these beautiful cases. We, as Nanook, introduced this brand and case actually on the IBC in 2010. So we are now in Europe providing videographers, photographers with the great solution of Nanook cases since 12 years. So our quality has proven. We are adding many new sizes each year to carry and protect this very sensitive gear for all our customers. So we are a very dedicated company that's trying to connect with our customers as close as we can, because it's very important that we understand the needs of our customers and act and respond to it.
And how are the Nanook cases different from some of the other cases that we're seeing on the floor?
Okay, there were many brands, many types of cases in the past that we looked at as Nanook in Montreal, Canada, where our factory is based. And we decided to improve the case on many things, like the latches. And we have our Power Claw latch, which gives an incredible high waterproofness to the case.
How does this latch work?
Okay, once you close the lid, you only need to close it with your thumb. But if you want to open it, you cannot accidentally open. You first need to de-lock, and then it opens itself. So it's let's say, the best latch in the industry.
So it doesn't get the lid like those half a centimeter lower,
Exactly.
right? The mechanism is in the latch.
Exactly.
It's not just a pressure lock.
Exactly. And you will not have sore hands or trying to close them, which many brands still have. We also added an additional handle to our carry-on case, a spring handle.
So this goes away. It's a spring-loaded.
Exactly. And it flips back automatically, so it will not give any damage to the case once you transport it in an airplane or something. We also have a two-step handle.
And if I understand correctly, this one has a dedicated button, so you don't push it to pull. There's a button like a regular travel trolley.
Yeah, exactly. So it works very easy, one-hand operation.
Tell me a little bit about the storage system. How does it work?
Okay. We added to this case the option of a lid organizer, where you can have your laptop or your iPad stowed very easy. We have these pockets for your other accessories.
And I'm seeing that they are transparent, so you can always see what's inside.
Exactly. Yeah. So that's why we choose for this beautiful transparent option.
Do they come out?
No, they're not coming out. With a zipper, it's single hand again, very easy to work with. For the bottom part, we offer many solutions, like a padded divider, like foam, custom foam. So we can either offer from our wide variety of standard foams. For most of all lenses, cameras used the right foam, but we also do customization for end users, because we try to connect with our end user and offer them the right insert that they need to carry and protect their goods.
So I'm seeing that this foam is very rigid. What can you I mean, at the end, you want your gear to be protected,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about the kind of foam that you're using.
Yeah, we use all high-end quality dense foam, which is water resistant and do not tear or give crumbs easily. So your gear will not be harmed or damaged by our foams.
Herman, so as a videographer, if I only have to get one case out of your entire collection, which one would it be?
I think the 935, which we are now discussing, is the most sold carry-on case, which can have a wide variety of lenses and cameras.
And will this go in an airplane on the hand luggage?
It can go into the airplane as a carry-on, as hand luggage in the overhead. And we use these wheels. We have great wheels, of course, with lifetime warranty. The whole case offers lifetime warranty, including our wheels and handles. So you will not meet any difficulties after using it for 10 or 20 or 30 years. It's a very durable case.
Herman, thank you so much for this education. It has been an eye-opener for me. If you want to hear more about IBC, hit the subscribe link below. I'm Udi Tirosh from IBC 2022 Floor. We're giving away over $12,000 of cinema goods. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. See you around.